Welcome back to another video. Today we have the credit card from Harbor Freight. Yes, it's here, at least in my state. This is Arizona. We got the credit card number, the credit card. I did go to the store and they offered me this, so yeah, so it's available now, at least in my state. Check on your state or your nearest Harbor Freight, see if you can apply for a credit card. We'll go over the details and just a quick video here for you. Don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell if you want to help out the channel so we can buy more tools, make more tool videos, make more tool reviews. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. Just a quick video, like I said. We got this is this is what you're gonna be getting at the store. Either you can pick one up, just pick one up from the cash register and then just give it to the cashier, and it's so easy to apply. So if you already have your email and your address and stuff like that in the system, it's even easier for you. All you have to do is to just give them your phone number, verify that it's you, know, your name, your address, and then after that you go to the little pen pal thing or little tablet thing that you pay with the credit card. You go there and then you just punch in your social security number and your date of birth. Basically, that's it. And in like less than 2 minutes, they already tell you if you're approved or you're not approved. So it's very quick. It's very easy, especially if you already got your email and your address and all that fun stuff already in the system. And I believe they do have points, and you get some certain percentage off of your first purchase with the card. So you got a Harbor Freight credit card welcome offer. You get an extra, let me get a pen here, it's easier to point out. Get an extra 10% off entire first purchase, no exclusions. So you get 10% off pretty much. If you buy a toolbox or whatever you buy, you get 10% off. So when you open up an account, or zero interest in your entire purchase. So I would, if you want to get a big item like a lawnmower or maybe a toolbox or something that's really expensive, that is the time to go get a credit card, because you're gonna get 10% off if you get approved. So when can you open an account? Or when you open an account, you get the 10% off, or you get 0% interest on your entire purchase. So if you know you're going to be making payments on it, I will definitely go with this one. If you're going to be paying cash at the end of the month, go with this one, so you get the extra 10% off. But if you're going to be making payments on that toolbox, go with this one with the zero interest. So on this one, you get zero interest, equal monthly payment. Let's say you got a toolbox for like $300. So you got 6 months on purchases $299 to $498.99. And then if you buy a toolbox that's more than $500, you get up to a year to pay for it. So $499 to $1798, so $1798. You get 0%, and 36 month on purchases over $1799. So just make sure you pay it on within these months, because if you take more time to pay it, let's say you got a 6 months purchase for $300. If you take 7 months or more to pay for this, they're gonna charge you all the interest from the day you purchased it to the day you finish purchasing it. You finish paying for it. So if you're gonna get it for 6 months, pay it in 6 months. Otherwise, they're gonna screw you up, and they're gonna, it just works like any other credit card. If you guys know how a credit card works, then that's pretty much it. That's how the way it works. So you got the nice Harbor Freight. It is a red credit card. It says Harbor Freight quality, lowest prices here on the top. You got the credit card number, just like a regular credit card, and your name, expiration date, and stuff like that. And it says apply today. See back for details. Alright, so when you first apply, you get the, you get the 10% off. But on regular purchases, It's everyday offer. It's your choice. So this is everyday offer. So what they're telling you is that they're gonna give you this every day. This is the first time, and this is the everyday percentage. So every day you're gonna be getting 5% off or 5% back on everything in Harbor Freight money. So if you buy a toolbox, you're gonna get or a drill, you're gonna get 5% back in Harbor Freight money, as in points. Something like that, as in points. This is really good, because either you can get that back, the 5% back, or you can get the 0 interest. It's either or. Like I said, if you're gonna be paying it at the end of the month, when you get that Harbor Freight bill, you can get this. If you know for sure that you're gonna be paying that back. If you're gonna be getting into a monthly payment, 6 month, 12 month, or 36, get the 0 interest. Definitely worth the time and the credit card here, especially if you're gonna be buying something more than $300. If you're gonna be buying something less than $300, it's better to get this and just pay for it at the end of the month. All right, you get this little information card here. I'm not gonna go over everything because that's a whole lot of information to go over. I'm just gonna go over the most important, which is the outside. Alright, it says enjoy the benefits. It says no annual fee, 5% back on every day Harbor Freight money. So I guess you get the 5% off pretty much any day of the week or any day you go with any purchase you do. It says combine discounts. Use your Harbor Freight money reward certificate with other coupons and discounts, so you can combine your rewards, your 5% off rewards, with other coupons that you see, so you're gonna save even more. And then you got 0 interest up to 36 months. That's what we're talking down here. It says fraud protection, 0 fraud liability from unauthorized charges if your card is lost or stolen. So I guess if it gets lost or stolen, they'll give you back your money, or if not, whatever they did with the card, they'll give you back that money if they purchased anything unauthorized. And then you can add authorized users, like if you have a wife or somebody, or you can add them to your credit card. Online account management, so I guess you can go online. I haven't tried it. I still got to do it. You can go online account management, and I guess look at your statements or some whatnot. Maybe do payments. I don't know yet. Maybe I gotta check it out. So you got 24-hour customer support. And here's the back. Right here where I covered, that's where you have the member number or the credit card number. It's not a permanent. It's just a temporary credit card number that they give you, and they do give you a receipt. I'm not gonna, they just give you a receipt, pretty much, and that's gonna be your credit card. Meanwhile, you get the one in the mail. So it says here, offers subject to credit card approval cannot be combined. If your purchase qualifies for multiple offers, you'll be asked to choose the offer to apply. Equal pay purchases 10% off discount. Not to earn reward points. We reserve the right to discontinue alter terms of offers. Okay, this is the most important part. To qualify for this offer, you must apply and be approved at Harbor Freight Tools credit card. One time 10% off will be applied at checkout at your first purchase with the card, unless you purchase qualifies for you choose to pay option, which is forfeit the 10% off. Qualifying purchase amount must be single receipt, no interest charge. Equal monthly payments will be required each equal pay purchase until paid in full. These payments are equal total equal purchase amount divided by the number of months in equal pay period, rounded up to the next whole dollar. So these payments may be higher payments that would be required if this was not equal pay purchase, regular account term supply. Okay, So you got for new accounts, as in 4120, variable purchase APR is $25.99. Yeah, that's a really high interest, guys. You don't want to pay that interest. That is a really high interest, 25%. That's 26%. So if you want to avoid that, you know, go with the plan here, the 6 month, 12 months, 36 months without interest, and make sure you pay it with that term, because they're gonna get charged the 25% off of the whole purchase. So a minimum interest of $2, APR with market-based prime rates, existing cardholders, 5 reward points for each dollar. In net purchases, charge Harbor Freight Tools credit card and receive $5 Harbor Freight money every 500 points. So for every dollar, you're gonna get 5 points. And for if you want $5 in credit, you have to have 500 points. See enclosed rewards program terms for details. Primary cardholders will be liable for purchase made account, including made by authorized user. So yeah, there you go, guys. And basically what they said is that I was gonna get this in the mail. I don't know how long it's gonna take. I'll let you guys know. But yeah, this is actually a really nice thing, because a lot of us, you know, don't have, obviously are regular working people and don't have the money, you know, to buy like something really expensive like a toolbox. And you can make some payments for, obviously you don't want to max this out. You want to buy whatever you can pay for, whatever you can afford. Obviously, you know, you don't want to go over. Anyways, just a short video for today. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so you can get on the notifications, hitting the subscribe. Alright, we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.